Stay home. It's the message from the city of Austin as well as the state, so drivers don't end up like this, sliding across the roadways and crashing. It was a common sight during the winter storms last year. Now the area faces a freeze once again Thursday.
You know, our roadways and sidewalks and trails are likely to be icy over the next 48 hours.
Both the city's Transportation and Public Works Department are working together to monitor the roadways. They'll be treating, checking temperatures, and regularly driving around the area looking for ice accumulating on the roads.
So really encouraging people to not drive unless they have to. If they do, stay off elevated structures. Same thing for pedestrians, stay off bridges and elevated structures.
Following the recent rain this week, the potential for a freeze is high. TxDOT also on standby to close any state roads should conditions worsen. The city is also urging drivers to be cautious of intersections, as the weather may impact traffic signals.
We'll be monitoring the signals. Ask drivers if they do come upon a totally dark intersection to treat it as an all-way stop. If the light that is facing them is not working, they should assume that the other drivers may or may not stop, and so they need to take appropriate precautions.
Currently, the city has 9 trucks designated to treat icy roads and will prioritize the areas where ice begins to accumulate. Overall, crews are confident.
You know, everything I've heard and everything I believe with regards to my part of this responsibility is we are better off than we were a year ago. We know what to expect.
The city is also urging new residents, especially those who come from colder climates, to also stay home.
This really is an anomaly for Austin to have this type of weather and these type of conditions. And so really we all need to participate and stay off the roads.
For those who do have to drive, the city wants you to stay off elevated structures like bridges and overpasses. Allow for extra time to get to your destination, slow down, and most importantly, be safe.